More news coming in. Lawyer who tried to attack the Chief Justice of India has now broken silence. The attacker lawyer defended his action. His bizarre "God made me do it" clarification there coming in from this particular lawyer who attacked the Chief Justice of India yesterday.
गवई साहब का जो ये कहना था कि जाके तुम विष्णु के भक्त हो, जाके उसी प्रतिमा से प्रेयर करो, वही सब कराए, मैं कोई ऑर्डर पास नहीं करूंगा, ये सनातन धर्म का मजाक मुझे आहत करके गया। फिर जैसी परमात्मा ने मुझे आज्ञा दी, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा था मेडिटेट, तो मैंने मेडिटेट किया भगवान के सामने, परमात्मा के मेडिटेशन करता हूँ, मैं सन्यासी हूँ। तो जब मेडिटेट किया मैंने, तो मुझे ये जो उसकी आज्ञा थी वो मैंने की, मुझे कोई वो नहीं है।
लेकिन जो कल घटना हुई उसकी निंदा हर कोई कर रहा है। प्रधानमंत्री ने भी उस पर ट्वीट किया, वो कह रहे हैं कि पूरा देश जो है वो नाराज है, गुस्से में है इस तरह की हरकत जो आपके।
हाँ, ये जो वो सबका कहना है, सब कहेंगे, पक्ष का हो विपक्ष का हो, बीजेपी, बीएसपी, एसपी और जितनी साउथ की पार्टियां हैं, सब अपनी अपनी राजनीति की रोटियां सेकेंगी इस मुद्दे पे, वो सेक लेने दीजिए, मगर सच्चाई सच्चाई रहेगी, वो कोई नहीं छुपा सकेगा। मेरा इसमें कोई वो नहीं था कि वो दलित थे इसलिए मैंने ऐसे किया, मैंने कोई अपमानजनक शब्द, जाति सूचक शब्द भी नहीं बोला। मैं केवल इतना कह के आया हूं कोर्ट में कि सनातन का अपमान नहीं सहेगा हिंदुस्तान। हम हिंदुओं, सनातन धर्म से ज्यादा टॉलरेंट कोई नहीं है, इसीलिए हम हजारों साल तक जो आया वो हम पे राज्य करके, अत्याचार करके और चला गया यहाँ से, और हम टॉलरेंट ही बैठे रह गए। लेकिन अब हमारे अस्तित्व का सवाल आ गया है, एग्जिस्टेंस सनातन धर्म का पृथ्वी से खत्म होने वाला है, इसलिए मैं सनातन धर्म का एक सिपाही बन के आपके सामने खड़ा हुआ हूँ।
Conversation with the judge, with the lawyer in question, who in fact was behind the attack. It's a bizarre explanation, Piyush, that is coming in that interview with you. He says that God made me do it.
Well, absolutely. He has now come out with a bizarre explanation, Sneha. He is now saying that when Justice Gawai asked me to go and request Lord Vishnu to fulfill my prayers, the God directed me to show him the kind of act in which he got indulged into. He is now saying that it happened because he got directions from God as he was doing meditation, and then he was directed by God to do that entire incident, to indulge in that act. Now what we are now seeing as to how he's defending his act. He's also saying that I have no remorse or regret to what I have done. What I am doing is because I want to protect this Sanatan Dharma in this country. Sanatan ka apman nahi sahega Hindustan. That's what he is now saying. So that's a bizarre explanation which is now coming in from the advocate who yesterday indulged in this act where he tried attacking Chief Justice of India. You would remember, Sneha, that yesterday after this attack, there was condemnation which came in from various quarters. PM Narendra Modi had also put out a post on social media platform X where PM said that the entire nation is angered with the kind of act which has been done by an advocate where he tried to attack the Chief Justice of India. Now we'll have to see how the actions further going to be taken against this man, though the Bar Council has suspended him, but he is saying that he will approach to the higher authorities against his suspension, and he will continue to stand by what he did, and he has no regret to the kind of act he indulged into yesterday.
Going to leave it at that for the moment. Piyush Mishra getting in those details. Of course, no action is being taken against the lawyer there behind the attack on the Chief Justice of India.